In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to install wireless drivers on Windows 11, which is one of the most common fixes for Wi-Fi issues like missing networks, slow connections, or a Wi-Fi option that suddenly disappears. Before we begin, the first step is to check which wireless adapter your device is using. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, scroll down and expand the section labeled Network Adapters. Look for the name of your Wi-Fi adapter and make a note of it. Now that you have your adapter model, we can install the correct wireless driver. For best results, keep your charger plugged in throughout the entire process so your system doesn't power down or interrupt the installation. Open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. Your system is automatically detected, or enter your system's service tag into the search bar. After your system information loads, click on Drivers and Downloads and then choose Select Drivers to filter the available options. Choose your operating system. Under categories, select to Network, Ethernet, and Wireless. Look for the Wi-Fi driver that matches your wireless adapter model. Check the box next to it and click on Selected for download. Then click on the driver name to open the details page and hit the download button. Once the download finishes, open the Wi-Fi driver file from your browser or Downloads folder. Accept any confirmation prompts that appear and click Install, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation. If you have any questions about installing the Wi-Fi driver, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe. Check out our other videos for more Dell support content.